Sisters. One afternoon when I came home from school, I asked Mommy, "May I go to my Amaguita's house?" Mireya and Sarita, twin sisters who were both in the fourth grade with me, were waiting at the gate. Mommy looked at them through the window and frowned. "No," she said, and went back to her sewing. "But why?" I wailed. When Mireya and Sarita lingered, Mommy waved them away. "You want Amaguitas?" she asked. "I made you lots of them. There they are," she declared, pointing to my five sisters. "Cinco hermanitas for you to play house with. You want a doll? This one can be your muñeca," she said, picking up Rosita. "She comes with diapers and a bottle of formula." "I'm tired of playing mama," I complained. "You do it. They're your kids." I sassed her, and for that I had to mop the entire house, which included 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the kitchen. My cinco hermanitas mocked me from outside the house while they dressed up the baby Benito like a girl. Most days Paco was smart enough to play alone or with his own friends. The 6 of us sisters were round beads knotted side by side like pearls on a necklace, strung so close together we always made one another cry. "If you can't get along," Mommy would warn through the small kitchen window, "I'm going to separate you." "Then where will you be, with no one to play with?" 6 sisters with flashing eyes as bright as starry nights. We shared chewed bubblegum, but fought over M&Ms. Annalisa, the fierce one with pretty white teeth, would bite down like a rabid dog and spit out the bloody taste of sisterly love, while Tita and Juanita would pull each other's hair. Then Rosita would wail like a police siren, and we'd all be punished. 6 sisters would do penance in separate closets, teary eyes closed, praying for someone we could get along with.